people go occasionally out. So each and every person's reaction on their body will be different. As they react to the situation, outside situation is same, that their children are going abroad or they are going for work, they are alone. But the way they react to it, they produce the pathology in the body. So finally, that is why I am saying it is your attitude. Now, what can you do to prevent all this happening? To prevent all the psychological problems. See, because you are having a withdrawn feeling, it is getting a sulky feeling. That is why Alzheimer's comes, that is why dementia comes, that is why hopelessness comes, that is why all the brain atrophy and everything is coming. So if you are going to become happy, those hormones will be produced. A few changes in your lifestyle and a little awareness will change the whole process. Are you along with me? Are you saying? Do you agree with me or not? Please tell me yes or no. Atrophy means it becomes, reduces in size. Atrophy is brain atrophy. Atrophy means the brain starts sinking. Atrophy means the brain starts sinking. It is reducing in size. But it starts reducing in size. Due to non-use means you are just at home. So you are not using your brains. Atrophy can happen in any organ of the body. So it is if you start going for walks at the same time, twice a day, morning, evening, 1.5 hours, or you start doing some social activity somewhere or the other, you keep yourself mentally occupied, there is some self-satisfaction, and you are helping yourself to be healthy. So it is the way your attitude is, and your attitude can be developed only by yourself. And I want your answer to this. Do you think that chemical medicines that are available in the market has the power to reduce or to bring changes in the body? They will support you. They will enhance they will help your organs to be stimulated. But once if you change your activity and change your attitude, the whole pathology can change in the body. It is your attitude that can change the whole pathology in the body. It is only your attitude and nothing else. I know two people who are 80 years old. One is a person who stays alone. His wife is also not there. He only has joint problems. But in the morning he goes for all his bank work. In the evening he goes for swimming. He plays table tennis. He goes for walk. So he is totally busy. So his attitude is different. So there is no problem in the body. Another gentleman of 82 years old, he also doesn't have wife and children. They have expired. He is an advocate. This example I had given before. He also had an attitude, no, I want to attend my office regularly. He was on wheelchair. Some treatment was given, but his attitude was that I want to work. So still he comes to his office, he does some work, official work every day for 3-4 hours, and then he goes home. So it is your will that and your attitude that will bring in a change. The other day I saw a 97-year-old gentleman coming to the bank for his work, for taking cash. A 97-year-old gentleman, 97. So it is only your mental attitude and your outlook to everything that produces changes, produces pathology in the body. We have taken up anger, we have taken up fear. Now many a times if you see anger, constant anger happening again and again, or you are feeling irritated again and again, or you have some conversation, some past grievances with A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and every time you see a person, you hold up a conversation in your mind, your blood pressure shoots up. You keep on taking blood pressure medicine, blood pressure shoots up. But suppose if you have a forgiven feeling for that person, ABC or XYZ, that you forgive that person for whatever has happened, you are nullifying that effect happening. Are you understanding? The chemicals that are produced in the human body are much more different because you are forgiving them. So you otherwise will say, he is this, you are blaming someone. But if you stop blaming and looking at yourself, then the chemicals that are produced are different, and then you will see your blood pressure, medicines that are being taken, maybe you are taking it 3 times a day, you will take it 2 times a day or once a day. There will be a change in that. It is only by change of attitude and awareness that there can be a constant change of chemical production in your body. No one else can bring changes in your life and within other rather than yourself. It is only you alone. And do you think outside people have the capacity to change you? Does anyone from outside have the capacity to change you? Yes or no? Arey answer no yaar. Can you change yourself? What is difficult? Then what you want to be? Same. If you say it is difficult, it is difficult. If you say it's easy, it's easy. Whenever you speak something, you are creating that energy around you, you are creating that vibration around you. And when you create that vibration around you, you make that thing happen. So when you start saying what you want, you create that vibration around you and you will change yourself by that. If you are saying, you can't change. But if you start saying artificially also, no, I can change myself. When you start saying, I can change myself, you will start changing yourself and your attitude will change and your habits will change, your life pattern will change and things will change. It is only your acceptance and your willingness to change, your urge to change, your thirst to help yourself. It is only your willingness and your thirst to help yourself that you can help yourself. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, we are coming and going, seeing a movie and time is over. Nothing else. It's only our attitude and it's only our outlook that will help anything. Otherwise, nothing can help anything. Are we correct or not? Are we ready to listen to this or not? Yes. Do you agree or not? Please tell me. Ask me questions, then I'll go ahead now. Otherwise, I'll say it's a one-way traffic. Now you tell me, ask me questions, that will be more interesting. Please ask.
When you say, when you get very angry, you can't count what you get. But you're so angry that you just can't count what you get.
If you are saying, see, some hints are given to you, and if you say you can't count, you can't count. If some hints are given and if you are accepting those hints, and you will say, I can count, you can count. It will depend on your wantingness to take it. If your wantingness to take it is not there, no one can help you. Your wantingness to take it is very important, no? So whatever you do, you do. It's easy means it's up to you what you want to do. You ask me questions, please. We'll be coming to that. We'll be coming. Everything will be throwing light. First you ask me questions.
You have explained so well.
Depression will come to it. Anything else you want to ask, please ask. Correct. Right. Damunite Kuchmuch, you want to ask something, ma'am? No one has to say something? How can that be? It's no, if you have anything to ask. Because what is
Because if I want to change, so if I only the medicine go out, it goes gradually. Not
how gradually it will go, no? Within a span of 3 months or 6
that's
months.
why during that time, that with your doctor.
Of course, you have to be in touch with your doctor once a month, once in 15 days. That is quite natural, no? Without that, how can it happen? You will not believe even all skin problems, all psychosomatic problems are only due to your mental health. Like, for example, you have to see what is the underlying cause. Is it due to anger? Is it due to acidity? Just 4 days back, I was giving a talk at Prempuri Ashram. I told them that whenever you are giving gifts to your children of blood pressure, diabetes and all, the day you all decide that you are going to become well, you will stop giving gifts to your children of all the diseases that you have. You will stop giving your children gifts of the diseases that you are having. Because even if they have a problem, they say, अरे heredity, मैं बोला कौन से बाप का heredity आएगा? If your आत्मबल, if your willpower is strong, no disease power can come and hit you. No diseases has the power to come and take down you. The willpower with the atmic power, the Atma plus the Jeev. You have your inner core, your inner center, your inner consciousness. That power itself is so great, it will not allow the disease power to overpower you. You are allowing it to overpower, that is why it is coming. You are giving permission, please come. Because you are wanting sympathy of outside people.
Yeah.
And sympathy is not available anywhere. I am telling you.
Well, the reason why some people in the old age they don't like to dress properly, men don't like to shave. That's also some
That I don't know. It depends on the attitude.
Some mental problem.
Anything you have to ask? It is absolutely true. It is like this only, because you go shopping from doctor to doctor, as you want to buy a good kurta and you want to buy good gold and silver, some jewelry, this and that. Because everything starts only from the mind. Even premature graying of hair. At a young age you have premature graying of hair. It's due to constant acidity, due to constant anger within yourself, or constant irritation that you have in your system, or your attitude of I care to hoods, like this. It's all that attitude that is creating, and any prolonged emotion in constant repetition creates pathology in the body. Any emotion with constant repetition creates pathology in the human body. So any pathology that happens, you have to go to the core of it, that why it has come. Many people who become angry get chest pain in the form of angina, and they pop in sorbitrate. So when they take sorbitrate, they again get a headache. But if they change their attitude of anger, they will not get a chest pain at all. Some people, if they get angry, even create itching in the body. Have you seen yourself that if you have got too many things to do, your anger comes out, इसके साथ आपको disturbance है, but आपका anger इधर निकलेगा. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं? It comes out on the third or fourth person, not on the concerned party. That happens.